Hey guys, today I have a 6x6 solve on the new Shengshou 6x6 I got. Sorry I don't have an unboxing, but I got it another way, so sorry about that. The review will be coming up soon, and today I'm going to talk about my thoughts on big cubes and where I'm at Speedcubing big cubes. So let's first talk about 4x4. So 4x4 I use the Yao method and I enjoy it quite a bit. Now I'm averaging around sub 50, 40, 45, 46-ish. I might upload an average if I could get a good one on camera. So that's 4x4, I use the Yao method. So 5x5, I use reduction like most people do. And I just got look ahead down, so that's pretty awesome. And I'm starting to average around sub 140. I'm going for sub 130, but it'll probably be a while before I get there. So now for 6x6, which is what you'll see, I just be able to make the cutoffs for 6x6, so I might be competing in 6x6 next time when I go to my next competition. So sub 4 minutes. I'm averaging around 4 minutes, but well, the solve is sub 4 minutes. So yeah, that's where I'm at. 6x6, 7x7. I still suck at 7x7, and 7x7. For everything 5x5 plus, I use reduction. So I still suck at 7x7. I average, I don't know. My PB is like a 640, I think, mean of 3. I don't do 7x7 because it just takes too long. 6x6 is still decent, but it takes a bit longer, so I'm not that into 6x6 either. So that's where I am at Speedcubing big cubes. My mains, 4x4, it's in white Osu. 5x5, I'm getting the Ultron 5x5. Which is, I don't know, I haven't checked yet, but yeah, if I get that sooner, that will be great. I now use a modded Shengshou, full modded Shengshou, and then 6x6 is Shengshou. I'll get the moyu when it comes out. They said it's October 10th, but I don't know, because moyu usually delays stuff. Now they're still working on their 15x15. And then 7x7 is also a Shengshou. I'll get the Square Alpha when it comes out. I don't know when, but hopefully it comes out soon. So I'll upload a 7x7 solve soon, probably sped up. So review on Shengshou 6x6 will be here soon. If it is up, I'll have a link in the description, so you can watch that. The Shengshou 6x6 is a pretty decent cube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.